Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the new Fortnite character, Big Dill. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Big Dill from Fortnite, let's begin with the head. So let's start right up here, and you just want to draw a nice sad face like this. Now on each side, let's go ahead and make a little line that's just going to kind of curve out from each side. Then we're just going to make a little kind of smiley face shape. Now let's work on the eyes. So starting here, I'm just going to color in a black dot here for an eye. Then I'll do the same thing over here. Just kind of color in a black dot. Then we're going to make a line across the top of each eye. Then we're just going to make like a little triangle shape for the eyebrows. So we're just going to kind of angle this little triangle shape. Next, we're just going to make a couple of little bumps like this for the mouth, almost kind of like little kissy lips. Now, right around the mouth, let's make like an oval shape for part of his mask. Then around the eye, we're just going to kind of curve this line in and then come down. So watch that again. We're just going to kind of go in and out, and then we're going to curve this around. Now let's connect this line right to here. Then we're going to make some lines that just come down. So we're just going to make a few lines that just come down here. You can make them straight, or you can even put a little bit of a curve in there if you'd like. Then I'm just going to make these small bumps at the bottom here, just to make it look a little bit more realistic. Next, let's draw the body. So we're just going to go down, and then bring it up here for the body. Now, starting here, let's just bring a line that's going to come down. And we'll do the same thing here. Bring this line down for the arms. Next, we're going to make a little line that just kind of goes out and then down. Then we'll bring this up on each side. We'll go down and up, and then down and up. Same thing here, just go down and up, and down and up. Next, let's make this little line on each side. Then we're going to bring this in, kind of shape out the hand. Then for the thumb, we're going to curve out and then in. So just kind of curve this out and then in. Then we'll bring this line up for the arm, and same thing here, bring this line up. Now for the legs, let's draw a line down here, and a line down here. Then we'll make a little line here. Bring this line out and down, and then out and down. Then we'll curve this over and bring this line down. Now let's draw his little chain. So to do this, what we're going to do is, starting right about here, let's make a skinny rectangle. And then we'll make another skinny rectangle over here. It kind of looks like a number 11. Next, we'll draw a line here and here. And then we'll make a line here and here. Next, let's connect this. And then I'll draw a little line down and a little line up. Then we'll go here and here. Go here and here. And then let's curve this around. So it's kind of like a money symbol, but it's got a letter D in there. Next, right here, we're going to make a line that comes down and another line that comes down. Then I'll make one here, and we'll make a second one and a second one here. Next, let's make some broken lines that just kind of come up and down here for a little bit of detail to kind of give them that little bit of like a pickle shape. And there you go, there is your drawing of Big Dill from Fortnite. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.